Welcome back to Add Art. I've just got back from a camping holiday with my family and friends near the sea, and their son Eddie suggested I should draw a crab. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. Okay, pens and pencils at the ready? Let's snap to it. First we'll start with the crab shell, so bring it up and over the top. And down the other side like a ramp. Now this drawing is going to be quite symmetrical. Now through the centre we'll have these little curves, and then up for one of the eyes, and a little curve for the nose, and the same for the other eye, and then 1, 2, 3. Put the beady little eyes peering out at us. The pupils. Okay, we'll just bring the detail on the shell up and over the eyes. Okay, let's put a smile in. He's happy he's got this hard exoskeleton because crabs are actually quite soft inside, and this shell protects them from birds and other things that would want to eat them. Let's do their claws, so let's put one of those in. We're going to do these in sections and then join them up. First piece and then the second. Curve slightly. We're going to make this outer claw a bit bigger than the other one. Give it a serrated edge. Make this one a little bit smaller, thinner. And like I was saying, we'll just join it up here. I was reading that crabs actually have 10 legs, including the 2 with claws. Let's put one of those in here. And some crabs can actually regrow their limbs as well when they get into a fight or get them caught on a net. Again, I'm just doing these legs like the claws in sections and then joining them up. If I am going a little bit fast, remember you can always pause the video, catch up and then hit play again. I'm just making these legs a little bit smaller each time so they feel as though they're going off into the distance. Have these pointed ends to them. And most crabs walk sideways when you see them on the beach. But actually some of them can walk forwards and some of them can swim as well. Okay, so we're just going to copy that claw on this side. That bigger outer part of the claw here. Again with a serrated edge, a bit jaggedy. Okay, and we'll just join that all up. And put in the other legs. Now if you ever see a lot of crabs, it's known as a cast of crabs. That's the collective name for it. And apparently there's over 4,500 different species of them. Okay, so once again we're just making these legs a little bit smaller each time. Joining up the sections. is almost done. We've almost done all the 10 legs. This is the last one then. We need to finish off the shell. Bring it down and round. Bring it back up. And we're going to put some detail. Almost have these sort of panels underneath. Okay, so let's put our crab on the edge of the beach. We can have the tide coming in there. Have the horizon, the sea in the distance. Okay, and we'll just curve this back and forth, and it looks like the waves lapping against the beach edge. And we'll put some waves. And some clouds. I was reading that the biggest crab is the spider crab, and apparently it can have a leg span of up to 4 meters, which would be pretty scary if you saw one of those scuttling up the beach at you. Put some pebbles in here. Put some detail in the sand, some little dots. And there we have it. There is our Norfolk crab. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one, Eddie. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.